Moved to Columbus in 1990. Started working again, and then in 2015, I started to go back to school and went to Columbus State Community College, and had a really good time there. And then my ultimate goal was to come to Franklin, and so I graduated in 2021 from Columbus Community College, and entered Franklin University, and I have had an outstanding time here. Amazing staff, amazing professors. It's just wonderful, and I'm just overjoyed with everything that Franklin is able and not able, what they are giving me. At Franklin University, I have had a great experience with the faculty here. Amazing teachers, professors here. Dr. Lucy and Dr. Bowen has really opened my eyes up to a different way of learning. Critical thinking is very essential in life, I think. It really makes you sit down and really think about what you're really doing and how you're going to utilize it in the real world predicament. And that's what I loved. I go to work right now, and I'm constantly thinking about how can I apply this to this to this to this to that, and it's really amazing. It's like it's almost like I was a little kid, but now I'm grown up, and it's just fascinating. So, but I just think it's just amazing, you know. Yeah, I'm so glad I came to Franklin. So, Franklin University makes it possible.